welcome to my good channel. So today, I'm so loud. So today we're gonna play with my toy, and you know what is it? Yes, it is Godzilla. Actually, I bought it from Caladia. Find a toy and here. Then let's start and see. So here's the tail for Godzilla, and this is the see. This is his scar right here. Actually, I had to put this one that's his chest, then we put it there. And it's a tiny bread, just put it up there. Okay guys, let's start. First of all, there is Godzilla. And then this is his tiny bread. Where could I put it? Maybe. Put it there. Oh, that's cool as new. And then now we put the scar. Where could I put it? Maybe, look at that. There we go, there's no more scars. That's the cover. And then now here's our nail for Godzilla. I wonder how to put it. Yes, no, it's the box back. And then you have to collect these all. We have T-Rex with a radio tower, Hong Kong Battle Kong, Warbat, Mechagodzilla, Skullcrawler, Godzilla, Hong Kong Battle. Actually, maybe no, with a jet fighter, with a fighter jet, and this Kong has a fighter jet too. So this is here's Mechagodzilla. There he is. He's a robot Godzilla. So guys, let's just go back to the toy. Okay. Oh, it's so hard. Wait. Okay, so alright, I already put the tail already here. So let's put the time run because and there we go. Here's Godzilla. Actually, you can move his both legs, so his arms. First, let's run with that time run, and you can play with it now. Play, let's go! Yeah! Oh yeah! It's like fighting with King Kong. Oh, he punched him. First of all, the punch him in the very stinky. And then he punched him. And then also pushed him in the we didn't see. And let's put the atomic whip now. Okay guys, so this is our Godzilla. And then roar! Ton of red! Roar! Okay guys, I hope you liked that video. So goodbye guys, and see you for the next channel of, you know what is it? The Hong Kong. Goodbye guys, and see you for the next channel. Bye!